Hi, this is Nathan from Air Recognition. I'm here today at the Beauvechain Air Base for a new edition of the Helidays. And for this first video, we will focus on the Belgian Air Force new platform, the NH90 Tactical Transport Helicopter.
Good afternoon. We are here just next to the NH90 helicopter, NH90 in the version TTH, a tactical transport helicopter, which has been bought by Belgium, 4 pieces of it, with the aim to transport troops. So it's there to transport guys from the land component, more in particular the light brigade of the land component, so the guys that are lightly equipped and that are specialized in doing quick action onto targets directly or close to targets. And we are there to transport them towards that spot where we can either heli land them, so they just step out and they do their action, or we can do it via the fast roping system. We can even hoist, so there are different possibilities that we can use to put our troops on their target. So for the rest, it's a medium transport helicopter, meaning it's not the most heavy bird that there is. We got Chinook helicopters, broadly known by the audience by the flying bananas with the two rotors. This one is within the class that can weigh up to 11 tons maximum. Empty weight 7 tons. It's quite versatile, so we can use it for different missions, in a sense that not only troop transport, but we can also transport cargo. We can do it inside with a cargo rolling device, which then uses pallets that can be rolled either from behind the ramp and hatch, either from the sliding doors on the side. We can also do underslung missions. So with nets, even jeeps and trailers, we all did it. Very well possible. It's a full glass cockpit, and it's fully IFR, even de-iced. So the main rotor, the tail rotor, the stabilizer is de-iced. We have weather radar, so we can do transits like we already did to Lithuania and so on in fully IMC conditions. So in the back, in this version there is place for 14 guys. One of it needs to be a cabin operator, so 13 troops can take place on board. So there we see the door gun. It's the M3M .50 door gun. It's meant to be used in a defensive way, so just to protect ourselves if ever we fall under fire, small arms fire, or even from a vehicle. Now, since it's quite caliber, it's already for quite some standoff distance, and the aim is that in the future we will also have the 7.62mm MAG, which is of course lighter, equipped with the Kevlar plating, with the weapons, with the ammunition, which will be quite some ammunition. We are limited in transport capabilities for troops. But for the moment, as it's a new capability, so that means it's not something like buying a car and you have your car, you read the manual and off you go. No, there needs to be an upgrade from a tactical point of view, and at this point we are limited operational capable, meaning we can transport normal administrative transportation of people and cargo. We can also do now the air mobility operations with troops, so in a tactical environment. And we need to go now to full operational capability, and for that all of the electronic warfare systems need to be up and going. They're already on board, but now we need the expertise, we need the databases and so on in order to operate with them as it should be. So I said, for the moment, since we are limited operational capable, we are already capable of assisting to operational deployments, which we did twice in 2015 and 2016. We have been in Lithuania to support our Belgian troops over there, which is in the framework of the RAP, it's called, the Readiness Action Plan of the NATO. The machine handled it well. We had no or little mechanical problems. We flew to there on our own, with our own assets, so it was not inside of a large aircraft. But of course, as I told you, we will step up, we will go to more intense operations in the future.